Traces amid conflict. During the Aceh conflict, thousands of JM fighters lived in hiding. They took to the forests, carried weapons, leaving behind wives and children at home. With no certainty, only the constant shadow of life and death. They often went hungry. Illness struck, but there were no medicines. The threat of being shot loomed at every moment. Each night, they slept on cold earth, moving from place to place, never truly safe. Back home, families waited in fear, not knowing if their husbands would return or become just a name carved into an unmarked grave. This is not fiction. This is the harsh reality of Aceh's history, a truth we must remember, so the peace we now have is never taken for granted. The Free Aceh movement, or GAM, emerged from a deep sense of injustice. A military organization founded with the aim of separating Aceh from Indonesia, so that Aceh could stand as an independent and sovereign nation. Established by Hassan Tyro in 1976, the movement grew within the jungles of Aceh, with its military wing led by various commanders who rotated over the years. Under the leadership of Tunku Abdullah Sayafii, the conflict intensified. Martial law was declared in Aceh. In 2002, he was killed during a clash with the Indonesian military. Leadership was then passed on to Muzakir Manaf. But in 2004, disaster struck. A massive tsunami devastated Aceh. A year later, on August 15, 2005, a historic peace agreement was signed in Helsinki, Finland, marking the end of nearly 30 years of armed conflict between GAM and the Republic of Indonesia. Note the documents and images shown in this presentation were collected from various public sources, personal archives, media documentation, and historical witnesses who generously contributed for educational and historical purposes.